Today, two sides of our China CNC Router machine is ready. Now please follow me to check. 2 by 3 meter working area suitable for process the big size materials. 9 kilowatt air cooling spindle has the big power to process hard materials. The auto change hard will be installed in the behind of the beam and save much time of change the code. The vacuum pump and the T-slot 2-in-1 work table is suitable for process the much bigger materials. All the small pieces of the materials all are okay. The intelligent control system lets the operation be more easy. The dust collector system lets the working area or situation be more clean. The big servo motor lets the machine can reach higher working speed and perfect precision. The imported biased transmission system offers the most stability for the machine working situation. The press roller could help the machine to press the materials better. Let me show you how this machine working. Okay guys, if you're also interested in these machines, welcome to message me. The detailed quotation will be offered.